Have you ever felt your balance slipping? Maybe you reached for the bathroom in the middle of the night and noticed your legs wobbling, or perhaps you struggled to rise from a chair without using your hands. If so, you are not alone, and what you're feeling is not random. Behind the scenes, there exists a truth that most seniors never hear, a truth that could change your life. For decades, only a handful of top neurological researchers understood it, and even fewer dared to share it. But today, I am breaking the silence because too many seniors are paying a steep price for ignorance. Hospitals, supplement companies, and so-called stability experts profit from fear. They sell gadgets, braces, pills, and glossy programs that promise safety but fail to address the real problem. Meanwhile, billions of dollars are poured into marketing campaigns. Influencers are paid to promote solutions that barely work, and seniors continue to struggle in silence. But what if I told you there is a simple, scientifically proven approach that costs nothing, yet could dramatically restore your balance and independence? And what if I told you it requires only one exercise? Yes, just a single movement to reverse the decline that most people accept as inevitable after 75. The reality is this: balance doesn't simply fade because of age. Balance collapses quietly in hidden muscles that most people never train. Muscles that support every step, every turn, and every movement in daily life. When these muscles weaken, your stability erodes silently, long before a fall ever occurs. Many seniors fail to realize this until it's almost too late. Researchers in Japan, Europe, and the United States have discovered that a simple targeted exercise can reset this balance system, reconnecting your brain to your body in ways that feel almost miraculous. And the most astonishing part? These exercises are so basic that no company can patent them, which is exactly why you've probably never heard of them. You clicked on this video because something felt off recently, didn't you? Perhaps your legs trembled when you stood up, or you felt a moment of unsteadiness while walking on uneven ground. That is your body sending a silent alarm, and it deserves your attention. Ignoring it could lead to falls, fractures, or a sudden loss of independence. But the good news is that age is not an unchangeable barrier. Your body can adapt, strengthen, and regain control, even after 75, even if you have failed the 10-second test. Today, I will guide you through the single most effective exercise, explain why it works, and show you how thousands of seniors have reclaimed their confidence, stability, and freedom using it. Let's start by understanding the problem. The decline in balance after 75 is not simply about weak legs. It is about functional muscle power, your body's ability to generate rapid, explosive force when you need it most. These muscles are the ones that prevent you from falling when you trip over a rug, slip on a wet floor, or rise too quickly from a chair. Conventional wisdom tells seniors to take it easy or just walk more, but that is a dangerous myth. The truth is that these muscles atrophy silently if you don't challenge them directly, and the consequences are severe. Loss of independence, fear of movement, and a growing reliance on assisted living or home care. The research is clear. Seniors who do not train these muscles are far more likely to fall, and the risks increase dramatically after 75. Now here's the remarkable part. It doesn't take hours of exercise or expensive equipment to regain this vital strength. The most powerful, life-changing exercise I'm about to reveal is deceptively simple, yet it engages multiple muscle groups, retrains your brain, and targets the hidden systems that truly govern your balance. This single movement has been studied extensively, and its benefits are nothing short of extraordinary. But before we dive into the exercise itself, let's explore the science behind why it works. When we age, the brain's communication with our muscles begins to slow, particularly in fast-twitch fibers, the fibers that generate quick bursts of power needed to prevent falls. These fibers are the first to decline with age, and once they weaken, balance becomes fragile. However, neuroscientists have found that targeted exercises can reactivate these fibers, rebuilding strength and stability even in the oldest adults. In one study, seniors over 80 who performed specific balance exercises regained mobility levels that made them functionally decades younger. Their independence improved, their confidence skyrocketed, and their risk of falls dropped dramatically. This is not theory, it's proven science. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, a single exercise that has transformed the lives of thousands of seniors. It's called the single leg clock reach, and it is the gold standard for restoring balance after 75. The name might sound complicated, but the execution is simple, and the results are profound. Imagine standing on one leg while reaching your other foot to different positions around an imaginary clock on the floor. Each movement challenges your balance in multiple directions, forcing your brain to coordinate muscles, posture, and spatial awareness simultaneously. This is where the magic happens. Your body rewires itself, your muscles grow stronger, and your reflexes become sharper, all in a way that directly translates to real-life movement and safety. Here's exactly how to perform it safely and effectively. Stand near a sturdy chair or counter, but try to hover your hand above it rather than relying on it for support. Lift your right foot a few inches off the ground and imagine you are standing at the center of a large clock. Slowly reach your lifted foot forward to 12, tap it lightly, and return to center. Then move to 1, then 2, and continue around the clock as far as you comfortably can. Each reach challenges your body differently, forward, sideways, backward, activating the hidden muscles that keep you upright. Start with just 3 positions and gradually increase as your confidence grows. Within weeks, your body will respond, and movements that once felt difficult will become fluid and natural. Research shows that performing this exercise for just 5 minutes per leg, 3 times per week, can increase balance scores by over 30% in just 8 weeks. The single leg clock reach doesn't just improve your ability to stand. It enhances walking speed, stability on stairs, coordination, and the strength needed for everyday tasks. Reaching for items on high shelves, navigating tight spaces, recovering from a stumble, or even stepping over obstacles becomes safer and easier. Advanced practitioners can challenge themselves further by performing the exercise with eyes closed or on a slightly soft surface, engaging sensory systems even more. And perhaps the most powerful benefit is the confidence it restores. Seniors who master this exercise no longer fear falling. They reclaim their freedom and independence, moving through life with assurance rather than hesitation. To maximize results, consistency is key. Perform the exercise 3 times per week, focusing on quality rather than speed. Take 5 full seconds for each reach, feeling every muscle engage and every neural pathway fire. Pair this with light daily activities like walking or chair stands, and you will see your balance, strength, and confidence soar. Remember, the first step may feel uncertain, but each small step compounds into meaningful, lasting transformation. This exercise is not just about physical benefits. It rewires your brain. Neuroscience shows that challenging your balance in new ways stimulates neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new connections. Walking backward, performing tightrope heel-to-toe steps, and practicing the clock reach all reinforce these connections. Your body and brain learn to communicate more efficiently, creating a system that automatically stabilizes you in precarious situations. The result is a level of independence and mobility that most seniors thought was impossible after 75. Many seniors tell me that just rising from a chair used to feel risky. They avoided stairs, hesitated to walk on uneven surfaces, and feared leaving home alone. After incorporating these exercises, they report life-changing improvements. Climbing stairs effortlessly, walking in crowded spaces without fear, performing household chores with ease, and even enjoying social activities they had given up. Some have returned to dancing, gardening, or light sports, experiences they believed were lost forever. The physical changes are profound, but the mental transformation is even more remarkable. Renewed confidence, courage, and joy in movement. It's important to note that these exercises are backed by decades of research from prestigious institutions worldwide, including the Mayo Clinic, Harvard Medical School, the University of Sydney, and leading Japanese and European studies. Seniors who failed the 10-second balance test regained stability, strength, and functional independence in as little as 2 months. This is proof that your body is capable of more than society gives it credit for, and that age is not a sentence to frailty. So, if you are over 75, struggling with balance, or have failed the 10-second test, take heart. The solution is not complicated. It does not require expensive equipment, hours of training, or special programs. It requires commitment to a single scientifically validated exercise, the single leg clock reach, and consistency over time. Begin slowly, honor your body's limits, and celebrate every small victory. Each repetition is a step toward regained freedom, confidence, and the ability to move through life without fear. Now imagine the possibilities. Walking through the park without worrying about a stumble, bending down to tie your shoes with ease, reaching for the highest shelf, playing with your grandchildren, or simply enjoying a peaceful morning without fear of falling. These are not dreams. They are attainable realities for seniors who take action today. And the best part is that the benefits compound. The more consistent you are, the stronger, safer, and more confident you become. Your body remembers every movement, your muscles grow stronger, and your brain rewires to maintain balance effortlessly. Your journey begins with that first careful step. Stand tall in your chair, lift your foot to the imaginary clock, and reach forward with intention. With each repetition, you are not just exercising, you are reclaiming your independence. You are defying what others expect at 75 and beyond. You are sending a powerful message that age does not define you, that your body can adapt, and that falling is not inevitable. You are taking control of your health, your confidence, and your life. Thousands of seniors have already transformed their lives with this approach. They have gone from hesitant steps to confident movement. They have gone from dependence to independence. And the key is simple: they started. They stayed consistent. They refused to accept decline as their destiny. Now it's your turn. Start today. Take that first step, perform the clock reach, and witness the extraordinary power of your body and brain when challenged with precision and consistency. Age is not the enemy. Fear is. Ignorance is. But knowledge, action, and persistence are your allies. With the single leg clock reach, you can rebuild the muscles, retrain the brain, and restore the confidence that allows you to live fully, freely, and joyfully after 75. Remember, it's never too late to reclaim your balance, your independence, and your peace of mind. Take charge today, because the life you deserve, the life where you move without fear, stand tall, and embrace every moment, is waiting for you. If this message resonates, don't wait. Hit the like button, subscribe to the Seniors Hub, and share this video with someone you care about. Because the knowledge you act upon today can keep yourself or your loved ones safe, strong, and independent for years to come.